Hello everyone. I'm here. This is my little banana trees. Let me see if you can see what I'm doing. There I am right there. Yeah. And this is that little pup. She's almost big as the other one. But some of the leaves, just getting worn and I just cut them off. Whether that's right or wrong, that's what I do. But I said I was gonna try to take all the bulbs out. But guys, listen, there are so many bulbs in here. Look at this. Here's a bulb. Let's see if I can show you where I'm about to dig right now. I hope you can see this. Yeah, here it is right here. This is a bulb here. So I have lots of bulbs. Now, do I need to take these bulbs out? I don't. I can leave these bulbs here and they will do fine over winter. We don't have that kind of weather where it get hard snow. Not like, you know, it's a yearly thing. It's not. But so I said I wanted to change this bed around and put something else here. But what it looks like, because there are so many bulbs in here, I will never find all these bulbs. And these bulbs, they multiply, and I'll show you what I mean by that. If I could find one of the bulbs. Let's see. So here is a bulb here, and probably can't see because of all the dirt, but these are bulbs. They just create more and more bulbs. This is a gladiola bulb, so you'll know. And yeah, look at that. In there is just, I'll show you. Let me get them in my hand. Look at that. And in this bed, I planted gladiolus here in this area for about 3 to 4 years. And it is full of gladiolas, tigridias, all of those bulb flowers that I have, they're in this bed. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some of the things. Like, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this little banana tree out right here. I'm going to take her out. I'm going to take out my little rose bush that I have here. Let me show you that one. So that's this little plant. I'm going to take this out. I do have a blueberry bush down there. And so I'm cleaning this bed. There is this gladiola right there. I'm just going to take the top off of that and pull the bulb up. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with this one. And I have so many of them in the house, in the garage, where I have gotten the bulbs out. So let me show you what that looked like in the hole. So you see what I'm saying? All of these little, yeah, see that? So all of this is like throughout this bed. Yeah, so I'm just afraid that if I were to plant something else over here, yeah, trust me, whatever it is, it will be full of gladiolus still. So I'm just going to take this off like this, and I'm going to put this in the bucket and put it in the garage until I get ready to plant it for next spring. Yeah, so mostly I have all of these little violas, and here are the seeds to that viola. Yeah, they grow wild here. Yeah, they are really pretty, but they're wild and they are just, yeah, all over. But anyway, guys, it's been raining here earlier. And now this is another one. Ugh, they are all over, so everybody can't live. I mean, I'm just saying. Everybody can't, so somebody gotta go. And I have so many of them. Canna Lilies are all over, and she's all in my face. Yeah, Miss Canna Lily in my face. And they drop seeds all over the place, and next thing you know, I have Canna Lilies everywhere. Oh, wow, this my little tree stump is composting. Look at that. You see that? Wait a minute. There it is. Look at that. Just composting. That's some good stuff there, y'all. So, all I'm doing is just taking all of this grass out and just try to get it clean for the spring. And I'll just be a grass pulling mama. And when I don't want to be grass pulling mama, I don't. So these are my sweet potatoes here. So I wanted to take a couple of these slips here and put them in the basket with the other potatoes. Let's see, can I get a nice slip out of here without, yeah, got some roots on this. You see that? So I'm just gonna let's get two. And here's another one. And I'm just gonna put it where the other one goes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it deep in here. I'm sweating, so see my face. Now, the ideal time to do this would be earlier in the morning or late in the evening. I just give everything some water, but I'm going to give them some more. So that's the way that's looking, y'all. All right. So I know before long I'm going to have to move this little planter. And all I'm going to do is push her way back there. So she's going to still be in the sun, but she won't interfere with these guys. All right, guys, let's move on. It's about 8 o'clock, and I planted all my plants in the ground. All the ones that was in quarantine, yeah. So I sprayed them with my lemon oil, and they all are doing well. They are bug free.